Emily received the news that her beloved mother had passed away, leaving her with an old pink purse, while her sister got the rest of the inheritance. Emily was sad. With a mix of reverence and sadness, Emily unzipped the purse, her hands trembling ever so slightly. However, her eyes widened in surprise as she peered inside. The purse contained only one item, a key, gleaming in the soft light. Confusion washed over Emily. How could her mother's old purse contain just a key? But before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. The weight of Emily's mother's passing pressed heavily upon her heart. The profound grief that enveloped her was inescapable as she bid her final farewell to the woman who had been her anchor in life. In the somber days that followed, the family convened to initiate the process of settling their mother's estate. What transpired, however, left Emily both puzzled and disheartened. Her sister was bequeathed the lion's share of their mother's inheritance, leaving Emily with nothing more than her mother's old pink purse as her solitary legacy. The sight of the lone key within her mother's purse filled Emily with bewilderment and intrigue. Fueled by an ever-growing desire to comprehend her mother's intentions, Emily made a resolute decision to delve into her mother's journals and explore the cherished photo albums that held glimpses of their shared history. Within the pages of her mother's cherished photo albums, Emily found herself transported to a bygone era. Guided by curiosity and a desire to unlock their mother's secrets, Emily's sister wholeheartedly joined the quest for answers. Together, they combined their unique perspectives and strengths, united by a shared determination to piece together the intricate puzzle of their mother's life. The concealed note hinted at a hidden world of codes and riddles their mother had concealed. It was a challenging puzzle, a key to understanding a part of her life that had remained in the shadows. Determined not to let the newfound revelations deter them, the sisters resolved to continue their relentless pursuit of the truth. The pursuit of their mother's secrets led the sisters to unexpected destinations. They followed her trail to places they had never imagined, uncovering connections and stories that defied their expectations. A single memory from their shared childhood emerged, providing a crucial direction for their quest. In their research, the sisters stumbled upon an unexpected connection between their mother and a renowned figure. It was a revelation that added a layer of intrigue to their mother's life story. The significance of this association left them pondering the depth of her experiences and the hidden threads connecting her to the world beyond. A series of letters held secrets and concealed emotions, like precious treasures buried in a forgotten chest. Each letter was a window into their mother's heart, a testament to the complexities of her relationships and the unspoken truths that had shaped her life. One of the journal entries unveiled an old friendship that time had buried. It was a poignant reminder of the people who had touched their mother's life and the enduring significance of those connections. As they read about this rekindled friendship, the sisters felt a sense of nostalgia and a renewed appreciation for their mother's social bonds. A startling secret emerged that challenged the way the sisters perceived their mother. It was a revelation that shook the foundation of their understanding, prompting them to reevaluate the woman they thought they knew. As they grappled with this new information, their perspective on their mother's life and choices began to shift. In the course of their exploration, Emily's sister unearthed a hidden talent their mother had possessed. This discovery illuminated a new facet of their mother's life, revealing her diverse abilities and passions. It was a testament to the depth of her character and the richness of her experiences. A revelation about their mother's past emerged that left the sisters in disbelief. It was a shocking twist that upended their perception of her, challenging their understanding of the woman they had thought they knew. As they grappled with the startling truth, they were propelled further into the enigmatic narrative of their mother's life. As they continued their journey, the role of the key became clearer. It was the pivotal piece that would unlock a mysterious door, revealing the heart of their mother's enigma. The sisters realized that the key held the power to unveil the most closely guarded secrets and lead them deeper into the labyrinth of their mother's concealed past. Following the trail of their mother's secrets, Emily and her sister discovered the long-abandoned building that held the key to her enigmatic life. As the door creaked open, they were met with a breathtaking surprise. The interior was a time capsule, preserving their mother's history in every corner. They ventured further, guided by curiosity and the need to uncover the truth. Each step within the building was a step back in time as they explored the dusty relics, photographs, and keepsakes that had remained untouched for years. Their mother's belongings stirred emotions of wonder and nostalgia. As they sifted through the treasures that had witnessed their family's history, they felt a profound connection to the past. Every item held a memory, and the room resonated with echoes of their shared experiences. Within the building, they sensed their mother's presence as if she were guiding them through her life's remnants. It was as if her spirit lingered, sharing the stories behind each item, providing solace and assurance as they continued their journey into her concealed world. The emotional impact of their discoveries was profound. They were moved by the stories behind each artifact, and the realization of the complexity of their mother's life touched their hearts deeply. Tears of understanding mingled with awe and reverence. With each revelation, Emily and her sister achieved a newfound understanding of their mother. They saw her as a person with dreams, passions, and an unwavering love for her family. Their perception of her had transformed, and they embraced her with a deeper appreciation. Their journey brought a sense of closure to lingering questions. They found answers that they had sought for years, and with that understanding came acceptance. The weight of unresolved mysteries lifted, and they embraced the truth they had uncovered. In the midst of their exploration, the sisters realized that their mother had bequeathed them a priceless legacy. It was not wealth, but the depth of her life, her stories, and the profound experiences she had hidden. They felt privileged to inherit her intricate tapestry of life. As they approached the culmination of their quest, the sisters reflected on the significance of family bonds. Their shared journey had fortified their connection and deepened their gratitude for the ties that united them. Their journey reached its emotional zenith. The story concluded with a poignant resonance, leaving them with a profound appreciation for the complex and beautiful tapestry of their mother's life. They carried her legacy forward, guided by love and the lessons they had learned.